What the? Logan, why does it look like this?
What?
Look at my face.
Exposed.
It's funny. It's like we planned that. No, I really didn't. So what the heck, though?
Your exposure's too high.
Oh, there we go. You're such a genius. I let her outside. And I was about to tell them that I let them outside. And look, I want to show you something and the vlog something. I let her outside in the backyard. And then I look over to the left and said, what's that in her water bowl? Do I have to clean it out?
Oh, big tennis ball.
Why does she do this? I don't think anybody else's dog has that problem. Except her. Look, now it's soaking wet. Snowball, come here. Look at this. No, you gotta stop doing that.
She's like, fuck this shit, it's too cold outside. Oh, Snowball.
Logan pets dogs in like the weirdest ways ever.
Wizard.
He was looking at you like, whoa. Logan and Blizzard are best friends. Hey, Precious. Snowball, leave her alone.
Snowball's like wrong neighborhood.
Yeah.
Wizard. Do you like my red pants?
Yeah, Red Pants Squad.
Not with the dog fur on it, but with my red pants. You wanna know who wears red pants? Jason Derulo.
Isn't that why you got red pants in the first place?
Yeah, Jason Derulo. Yeah.
It's also why you got your cologne.
Yeah.
That's a cool story. Let me let them know.
See, that's why if you're famous, you shouldn't do shit that makes people want to reenact it.
She's like, you got that right, fam.
Because, see, Jason Derulo wears red pants. I wear red pants. He goes to the
If
woods.
Jason
I
Derulo...
go to the woods.
Logan, if Jason Derulo kissed another dude, would you?
No. No.
Can I tell them what you used to make me do in the concerts?
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell them anyways. Okay guys, so we have been to multiple Jason Derulo concerts. And what Jason Derulo loves to do is he likes to get all nice and sweaty. Like, I'm talking real sweaty. He dances a lot. Hey look at you drinking your Gatorade.
I love it.
You never show them that you're drinking soda when behind the scenes you are. I'm just kidding guys. Don't take that seriously, he really doesn't. He only drinks Gatorade and water. Anyway, so Jason Derulo dances a lot. He gets really hot and sweaty. It's super nice, but not really. And then he chooses one girl to get put on stage, and it's usually the girls up front. And we're always in the very front of all of his concerts. We've never been in the back. So when Logan hears that part coming, we'll be like, Chili, scream as loud as you can. I want you to go up there and like sit on his sweaty back. And he'll make me scream, and you know, just to make him happy.
I wish he chose me.
Just to make him happy, I do try. Like, I really do. I'll scream and be like, Jason Derulo!
No, but he only chooses the, like, I don't even know how to explain it. He chooses the thoughts. I have a hole in my shirt.
Oh, wow, you're such a nerd.
I was fingering it.
Okay, stop.
No,
I thought you actually meant...
The hole. The shirt hole.
Just can you stop?
The shirt
Just can you stop? Anyways, thank God I never actually got put on stage, because it was low-key kind of gross. No!
Snowball. Oh, porky buck.
Yeah. She's thick. She's a thick dog.
Oh. Ooh.
I'm going to tell them another Jason Derulo story. She's like, I'm not a horse.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh wait, I never told them. This is the cologne that you wear because of Jason Derulo.
Yeah, it smells good.
And we went to all these different perfume shops to find them. There's another story about a Jason Derulo concert. Oh, there's two more. I'm gonna tell them. Do you think it's boring?
I don't know. I don't think they know who he is.
They do now. Okay, there is this other time where Logan brought his big camera that he uses to film his plushies, and he brought it to the Jason Derulo concert. And you're not really supposed to have like those big cameras.
There's a fight.
That's where I was getting at, but thanks for like low-key ruining my story. Anyways, there was like a huge like fight that happened. It was between what, girls or guys?
Yeah, girls.
And Logan recorded it, and they were mad. They're like, no, you're not supposed to be filming anything. And then like a minute or two later, they say, hey, did you record the fight? Like, we need to see it. And then they took him out of the crowd, and they brought him to the very back of the room.
A manager and a cop, and they were like, blah, blah, they wanted...
You didn't see Jason Derulo?
No, he was back there. It was in the same fucking, like, the behind-the-scenes stage shit. And they were like, we need to see the footage. But the fucked up thing is my footage had started like right after the first punch, and they wanted to see who started it.
Oh.
And they thought I was trying to hide who started it.
Really?
Yeah, and I was like, no, that's just when I clicked record. I didn't predict a fight was happening. I don't know. I don't have the footage anymore. I don't think.
Why? What'd you do with it?
I don't know. It's probably on my very old computer. I still have all the footage of all his concerts if y'all want to see that.
Do you?
All of them.
Jeez.
Every single one of them.
Okay, I'm gonna tell them one more story. I thought this one was also funny. Okay, so there's this another time where we were in like the front area of the Jason Derulo concert, and then Jason Derulo got all nice and sweaty again, like he always does, and he takes this towel and he like wipes his entire body with it. It was so gross.
Oh yeah.
And all the girls were screaming because they wanted this sweaty, disgusting towel. Are you gonna be embarrassed if I tell them?
No.
Okay, and so he takes a towel and he's all like, who wants it or whatever, and he takes it and he throws it into the crowd of girls. Like, I'm telling you, there's this huge group of all girls, and I think he purposely aimed at this like certain spot because he hit it dead on. But you see, Logan's tall, and he's taller than most people, and especially all the girls. So it was super easy for him to reach over all these people and take the towel, and he's stronger because he's a guy, and he snatches it away from all the girls.
All of them.
And he got the towel.
Yeah, because...
And he held on to it the whole time.
Okay, like Jason Derulo threw the towel, right? He threw the towel, and there was all these girls, and they're all, and I'm talking, okay, I was right here, and the towel was at the refrigerator. Right, it was not towards me.
I would say it was kind of a little bit farther. You reach over, like...
I did this.
Yeah.
Grabbed it. I probably grabbed it, and I pulled it, because there was hands on it.
No, you kind of fell down with it, like you...
I pulled it down like this.
Yeah, like that.
Because I didn't want anyone else to have it. And then I kept it. I still have it. I don't know where it's at.
I bet I've seen it around the house. I really have.
I don't know where it's at.
It could be in the laundry room. It's somewhere because I've seen it. Yeah, it's been washed.
It doesn't say anything special on it. It's just a black washcloth.
With his like sweat on it. When you showed it to me, first of all, I was like, how did you even get that? And then second of all, I was like, why did you want that? Like, I wouldn't want that. No.
I will get really sweaty, and I'll wipe my body with a washcloth, and I'll when I meet fans.
Oh yeah, and then we could sell it on eBay.
No, I'll just throw it into a crowd of fans if I ever get that big.
Sweaty towel giveaway. Title of the video: Logan's sweaty towel giveaway.
See, but Jason really dances and stuff. See, so okay, how about this? I'll film an entire video with the AC off, and then when I get sweaty, I'll be like, okay,
oh gosh.
Like, there you go.
There you go.
I don't sweat that much.
No. Yeah, that's a fun fact about Logan. He literally, I don't think he can sweat.
I don't sweat that much, but I also don't have that much body hair. Like I don't have any body hair.
Well, you can like literally be walking around Disney in the dead middle of the summer, and you'll get hot, but you won't sweat. It's the weirdest thing ever.
I don't sweat. I don't sweat a lot.
Yeah.
Unless I'm having a panic attack.
And even then, you kind of get just like.
My hands will sweat.
Yeah, but it's mostly your hands.
Yeah,
because you've made me help them. I'm like, oh, they're kind of sweaty.
Yeah,
but you've never like been like pouring sweat or dripping sweat.
I just don't sweat a lot.
Yeah, a little fun facts about Logan. Let them know about your pant problems. Why you apparently sad? Because a lot of people hate it.
Okay. So first off, this is how my pants are all the time. Like, and people are probably thinking, well, you're sagging because you think you're a thug, or you think you're cool. No, okay. Well, here's my thing. It's a sad story. So when my grandpa, when he sees me like this, he thinks that I'm just sagging my pants. He's like, you need a belt, blah, blah, blah. And when I was in school, they'd be like, you need a belt. What are you doing? Well, if you see that right there, that's the hole. I don't have two belly buttons. Don't think that. That's a hole for my feeding tube. I used to have a feeding tube that would come out because that's my scar from my surgery. But I've had a lot of stomach problems, and like that's from my gallbladder being taken out, and that's from my gallbladder being taken out. And
oh, they're getting kind of hard to notice, but yeah, somewhere around there, and then the other one.
But this is from the really big surgery that they cut me open, and it pulled shit out. And so this is the scar from my feeding tube, because I had a feeding tube that was like this long, like it was like this long, okay, pretty fucking long, and it was an NJ. It had like 3 ports in it, and one went to my gastro, one went to my duodenum, so whatever the fuck, I don't know that shit anymore. But it would hang, right? And I went to school with the feeding tube. So
yeah, it looked like a squid tentacle.
Yeah, it was
it's
like a
funny.
squid tentacle, right? And I did not like, I didn't want it just to hang down because it would pull. And there was a little balloon inside my stomach. So basically, like, my stomach was moved. And so it would hang and it would pull on my stomach. And I didn't like that pulling feeling. So what I would do is, see how my pants right here? Well, right here is just stomach. See, it's just stomach. So what I would do is I would sag, my pants would be tight around right here, and this would be like a pocket, like a kangaroo pocket, and I would put the feeding tube right here, and this would like catch it. It would like catch it. So, like for example, like this is my cologne. If I put it right there, see, it's caught there. And it would hold it. So the reason why I wear my pants like this is because for like a year, I had my feeding tube caught like this. It was like a protective thing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, Logan, that was like 6 years ago. You don't have a feeding tube anymore. But it's still the fact that I'm just so used to it. Like, it's like a PTSD thing. It's like, I feel comfortable like this. If I wear my pants fucking this high, first off, I won't have a dick.
Logan.
Because it fucking hurts. But second of all, if I wear my pants this tight, it starts hurting my stomach. Like, I know it's probably just a mental thing, or it's like a mind thing, but if my pants, like if I get a belt right now and I wear it this tight, if I have any pressure right here from a belt or anything, I feel like I can't breathe. I feel like my stomach is like, I feel like my stomach's gonna hurt. Like I feel like it's crushing it. And it's probably just a mental fucking thing, but yeah, I don't sag my pants because I'm like, yeah, no rules. When I wear belts, guess where the belt goes around? Right here.
Yeah, it really does. But hold on, another thing that kind of proves your point is that you keep it up to, you're kind of having it low a little bit, but normally it's like right underneath your belly button. And guys, if you think about it, no one wears their boxers up to here. Like that makes no sense. So Logan, you can tell by looking at that Logan just wears it naturally a lot higher than other people. Yeah, and it's just, I don't know. That's what. So if you meet me and you're like, oh, he thinks he's cool because he's sagging his pants and he doesn't have to wear a belt. No, if I do wear belts, but if I do, they're gonna stay the same place. Stomach's so sensitive right here. Like Chili doesn't want to touch my stomach ever. Oh no, I don't. Sometimes he'll be like, hey, I need you to feel a spot on my stomach just to see if it feels normal, and I'll be like, no, I really don't want to. And, it's scary touching it because it's like it always hurts him. Like you're always in pain because your stomach. Because I have medical problems, and my whole life my stomach has killed me. And it's like even during the Jaguars game, I want to explain that. If you go back and watch the Jaguars vlog, that where we went to the game, if you look at the beginning of the video, I'm happy. Happy as shit. Because I loved it. It was great. But if you go like halfway through the video, if you go to the scenes, if you see me, I'm not happy anymore. It's not like that. I'm not having fun. I missed the entire third quarter in the bathroom. Like I think I came back at the last minute when the Jaguars threw the touchdown. But that was because Chili was texting me saying they're coming towards the end zone. I was in the bathroom for the whole third quarter, basically, like all of halftime and the third quarter, because my stomach was killing me. Because my stomach I have irritable bowel syndrome, I have gastroparesis, I have I have fucking GERD, I have a fucking hiatal hernia, I have so many medical fucking problems. I have carpal tunnel in both my wrists from editing and filming for years. Like I know that's like, oh, poor baby, but no, my wrist fucking killed me. Like I have medical problems all the fucking time. And I have really bad anxiety, which came out of nowhere over the last 2 years, which I think
honestly, I think my anxiety got worse when I hit 1 million subscribers, and I think it's what happened was it's just I feel like everything I make isn't good enough, and that's the problem with all that shit. It's like right now my stomach just started hurting for no fucking reason, but I don't think I have any more scars other than that. But yeah, there's that.
That's it?
Do you have any scars on you?
Yes, I do. I'll let them know. It's kind of a lame story. Go ahead, vlog me. It's time for me to take the spotlight. Okay guys, story time on me. This is a very sad story about my life. Not really. Okay, so I have this scar right here. There it is. Okay, so we have like a little dot here, then we have another weird shaped thing here. And my lame story about that is that I was, I don't know what age, I was pretty young, and my brother Jonathan had taken me to the playground because we lived in an apartment and they have like a community playground, and he doesn't do that very often. So he invited me to the playground. It was just me and him, and we were playing tag. And so I was running around. I remember I was having a blast, and then I go down the slide, and then Jonathan tries to catch me, which obviously, now thinking about it, he could have easily caught me, but he was just playing along with my stupid tag game. And he had went down the slide too fast, and I was kind of like holding on to the edge of the slide, and I was about to get up because I had made it to the end. And he was wearing like really thick boots because he was in the Marines at the time, and they have like these gigantic heavy boots. I don't know why he was still in them. And it had scraped this part of my wrist. I don't know, I guess it skipped that part. And it cut it open. And when I was looking at it, for some reason it was white. It looked really weird. I don't think it was a bone or anything, but it was white in there. And I was like, Jonathan? And I showed it to him. He started freaking out. He felt so bad. So we were walking back, and we told my parents, and I told them I didn't have to go to the hospital because it didn't hurt at all. Like, I didn't feel any pain. And you'd think that I would because it looked really bad. But yeah, we just ended up, I think, putting a Band-Aid or something, wrapping it up, and that's all that happened. Alright guys, I'm ending the vlog. There's Logan. Let me go get the dogs. Where are they at? Snowball! Blizzard! There they are. Hey Blizzard! Hey Snowball! There's the end of the vlog. And I will see you Chili Peppers tomorrow. Bye!